In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create an FTP account in Cpanel through Hostgator. Whether you're a web developer or just managing your own site, setting up FTP access is one of the easiest ways to handle your website files directly. Let's go through the process step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading over to hostgator.com. Once you're there, click Sign in the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details to access your Hostgator account. It's always a good idea to use strong, unique passwords here to keep your hosting secure. After logging in, you'll land on your HostGator dashboard. This is your main control center for managing websites, hosting plans, and settings. Click on the Websites tab to view your hosted sites. Next, choose the website where you'd like to create the FTP account. Once you've selected it, click on Advanced. This section gives you access to more technical tools and features, including cPanel access. Within the Advanced area, locate and click Manage. You'll see a list of settings you can adjust. Look for FTP accounts or FTP access. This is where you'll be able to create and manage your FTP logins. FTP or File Transfer Protocol allows you to connect your computer to your website server so you can upload, edit, and download files directly. It's a must-have for developers, designers, and anyone maintaining their own site. Once you're in the FTP access area, click on Manage again. You'll now be taken to a page that displays your existing FTP accounts. To add a new one, click the Create FTP Account button. Here's where you'll fill in the details for the new account. Start with the username. This is how you'll log in via your FTP client later. Next, choose the domain associated with this FTP account. Then, set a strong password using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. You'll also see an option to specify the directory this FTP account can access. By default, HostGator will assign it to a specific folder under your domain, but you can adjust this if you want the account to have broader or more limited access to your site's files. Once you've entered all the required details, click Create Account or Save to finalize the setup. HostGator will instantly create the new FTP account, and it'll appear in your list of available accounts. From here, you can connect using any FTP client like FileZilla or CyberDuck. All you need are the credentials you just created: the username, password, server, usually your domain name, and port number, typically 21. Enter those into your FTP client and you'll be connected to your website's file directory. That's it. You've successfully created an FTP account in cPanel through HostGator. This will give you quick and secure access to your site files anytime you need to upload new content, make updates, or perform maintenance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you'd like more guides on managing your website, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more web hosting tips and tutorials.